Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to remove applications from notifications reminder in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for notification reminder options? We need to go to Settings, then in Notifications menu we have Advanced Settings right here. At the bottom we have notification reminders, and at the bottom of this bottom we have apps to get reminders. 4. We have 11 selected. If we don't want applications to be active in our reminder, simply choose which one we want to exclude from our reminders, or we can just simply use this all function at the top, but it will reset our every single one application that we had set up. No need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.